Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any case and detaching the keyboard. This exposes connectors and magnets so you can inspect them closely. Once done, power the iPad off, then back on to clear temporary glitches. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled off and on to reset wireless pairing. Test the on-screen keyboard to confirm the device itself accepts input. If you haven't updated iPad OS recently, go to Settings and install updates. Software fixes often restore keyboard functionality. You now focus on the connection. For smart connector keyboards, inspect and clean the pins with a dry microfiber or soft brush. Avoid liquids. For Bluetooth keyboards, go to Settings, choose the keyboard entry, tap Forget this device, then restart both devices and repair. That forces a fresh profile. Once reconnected, type in notes and try function keys. If possible, test the keyboard with another iPad, or test a different keyboard with your iPad to determine whether it's a hardware or software problem. You finish by escalating. Reset the keyboard dictionary in Settings, or perform a network settings reset if Bluetooth pairing repeatedly fails. If smart connector pins are visibly bent, corroded, or the magnetic alignment is off, make an appointment with Apple or an authorized repair shop. Physical fixes need trained technicians. Make sure to back up before any factory reset. If things still fail, try safe mode or a fresh user profile to rule out third-party app conflicts. This often reveals stubborn software-caused keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.